CATV is proudly presented by Toyota.
Well, what a start that is. A complete error of judgment for Alistair Cook.
Oh, that's it as well. It's dropped. Mitchell Johnson gets him fending safely over the keeper's head, and he's now 7. It doesn't last though. Guts or not, Mitchell Johnson's out bowling. Oh, that's cannoned into the pads too. The umpire says no, maybe too high, too leg side.
Yeah, yes, he does. Looks like he's going down the leg side. Absolutely missing the leg by a good few inches.
Edge and gone. There it is. Edge and gone, and another. This time to settle. Beautiful straight drive. Stroke of the morning. Oh, it's a good catch, is it? I think it is. Did it carry? No, Haddon isn't sure.
That ball's in touch with the ground right there and then kicks up into his gloves.
Beautiful cover drive. There's some talent in this guy. A good shot, 4.
It's good placement, really good placement. Nice use of the feet, found a gap.